Hi guys, my name is Amanda. Today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. Today I'll be using the new Wet n Wild Pacman collection. The only things I could find were the blush lighter and the bronzer. And then I did find the palette. So yeah, we're going to be using these for this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I also did my foundation and the powders and everything. So I'm just going to do the bronzer, highlighter, and blush, and then the setting. For primer, I used the Milk Hydro Grip. Before that, I used the strobe cream, the MAC strobe cream in Gold Light. And then I gave the CoverGirl another try, and so far I like it. I like it better with this primer. I also used the MAC Studio Fix powder in NC42. And then to set my under eyes, I used the Chanel Universal powder, this one right here. And to prime my eyelids, I used the Tarte Shape Tape. And then to conceal my under eyes, I used the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Custard. Oh, and for the eyebrows today, I just used the Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony from Honest. I'm sorry if you guys can see my mirror, but for this I really need it up close. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna go in with is this orange right here. And I'm just gonna be using a MAC 224 blending brush.
It's easy to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I could ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye.
I feel the shadows are like really pigmented, and the only one I had problem with was the purple one, but other than that, I feel like the other shadows are really good. And then I'm going to go into the pink shade right here. And I'm going to take the same 224 brush and just start blending both of those together.
There's nothing I can ever say to change your.
And then I'm going to go in with this purple shade right here. And I'll be using the same 224 brush.
Defeated by the dreams and the memories we've made, to see it crashing out the skies like a tidal wave down on me. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say to change your.
And then I'm going to take this smaller brush and dip it into the purple and try to pack it on a little bit, and at the same time blending it with the pink one.
To change your.
And then I'm gonna go in with this brush. It's like a little pencil brush, and go in with the pink and just go back in where we put the pink. So now we're gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and then I'm just gonna take like an eyebrow brush, and then I'm gonna take a small packing brush, and I'm just gonna take that yellow shade right here, this one, and pack that on.
It's easy to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one, walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I could ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love, we've said goodbye. There's nothing I could ever say to change your.
So we're done with the shadows. Next I'm gonna do the eyeliner, but I think the eyeliner I'm gonna do it off camera. So now we're gonna go in with the bottom lash line. For the bottom lash line, I'm gonna do the same thing I did like on my crease. So first I'm gonna go in with this orange color, and I'm just gonna take a flat brush, and then I'm gonna go into the pink shade, the same brush, and then I'm gonna go in the purple shadow, this one right here, with the same brush, and then I'm gonna go in with some black, the Black Track Pro Longwear Fluid Line for the bottom lash line. I use the same thing for the liner. And then I'm just gonna go into the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm gonna go in with the color Nior, with the black shade right here, this one. I'm gonna just grab an angled brush, this brush right here, and then I'm gonna just use that black color to blend out that liner. And now I'm just gonna curl my lashes and then add a little bit of mascara. So now we're gonna go in with the bronzer. Let's see how this works. It's these right here, and I'm just gonna grab like a bronzer brush, and I'm just gonna grab like this brush. It's like a really dense flat top brush, and I'm just gonna dunk it in here. Hopefully it wasn't too much. Ooh! It was too much. Oh. I don't know if it looks the same like it does here, but it's really pigmented. Really, but
kind of looks like more like blush than bronze.
Yeah, it does. It looks more like a... That's my sister. Like, but yeah, it does look more like a blush.
Does it say bronzer on the thing?
Yeah, it says Power Palettes Bronzer. But you know, it's so weird that it has like that color. You look at the pearls and they're like bronzy. They're not pink. It's weird. It's really emphasizing my texture too. A lot. I don't know what to say about the bronzer. We'll try the blush. It's a blush lighter. It's this one right here. Now this looks like a blush. Now do you guys see the difference? Blush, bronzer. Well, this is nice. This is nice. I'm just going in with the same NC42 powder to kind of tone down the bronzer. because I'm not trying to go out like this. Okay, so lashes are on. Well, the white thing you see on the lashes, that's the lash glue. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Continuous Settings Mist. And now I'm just gonna line my lips with the MAC Cork lip liner. And then I'm gonna go in with Sex on the Peach from Too Faced. And then I'm gonna add some bottom lash mascara. I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. Okay, so my thoughts on these products. Eyeshadows, they're really good. They're really pigmented. Well, the ones I tried. The purple one is the only one that's kind of patchy, so you kind of have to like build it up. This is the blush. Love the blush. Bronzer. I have mixed feelings about it because now that I use the powder foundation, I feel like it looks better. It could be that I just went into with too much. So I'll give this one a try. I have mixed feelings about it. Right now I love it, before I hated it. So okay, so those are my thoughts. I hope you guys like this look. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. So yeah guys, I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye.
One by one.